Hello. In this video, we will show how to define settlement points required to calculate vertical settlements in the model. Now we click the Settlement Point button in the Define menu. In the Point Definition window, we click the plus button. Next, we add the point on the screen. We select the point location. After selecting this location, the point coordinates are transferred to the window. Then we click the Add button. So a settlement point named P2 is added to the model. Now let's click the plus button again. Next, we select a point inside another foundation. After the coordinates appear in the window, we click the Add button. In this way, we also add point P3 to the model. Finally, let's add one more point. We click the plus button in the window. We select a location inside another foundation. After transferring the coordinates, we click the Add button. So we also add point P4 to the model. Now, to see the list of these points, let's click the Foundations button in the Define menu. Here we double-click the new model to open the foundation system properties. As you can see, the points added to the model are listed on the right side. Let's review this list. We can see which soil profile each point is linked to. The program automatically assigns the soil profile that covers the point location. This profile is then used in the settlement analysis. Now let's change the location of point A. After selecting point A on the plan, we enter 1 meter for the X coordinate and click the Modify button. Now let's click the Apply button. We click the Apply button again. As you can see, the coordinates of point A are updated. Now let's show a practical way to add settlement points at the geometric centers of foundations. We click the Foundations button again in the Define menu. Then we double-click the new model. Now we click the G++ button in the Point Addition area on the right. This adds 4 points, named G1, G2, G3, and G4, at the geometric centers of all foundations. Then we click the Apply button to add these points to the model. As you can see, settlement points are added to the geometric centers of all foundations. Finally, let's show how to delete point A inside the rectangular foundation. We click the Foundations button again. We return to the Foundation System Properties window. After selecting point A, we click the Remove button on the right. This removes the point from the list. Then we click the Apply button. As you can see, point A is removed from the model. Using these points, we will perform settlement analysis and obtain foundation settlements at each location. Thanks for watching.